To insert a SIM card in Pixel 8 Pro, we need the SIM ejector tool from the box. You can use your old phone's tool, a pin or a paper clip. Then to the left hand side of the Pixel 8 Pro, we have this outline and a hole. And you're going to insert the thin end of the SIM ejector tool into that hole and then push down until the SIM card tray partially ejects. Then use your fingernail to release the SIM card tray. So what we're looking for on the tray is this ridge. If you don't see it, then just flip the tray over. Now get your SIM card and you're going to match the ridge of the SIM card with the ridge in the tray and then just push the SIM card down in place. Then we're going to match the hole of the phone with the hole of the SIM card tray and then just push the SIM card back in, rub the tray with your finger, and now we should have signal and everything is fully working.